Hi, this is Grace Fitzpatrick here on behalf of Expert Village, and I'm going to talk to you about burned food when you're washing the dishes. I have here a pan that has some burned marks on the side. And basically, the first thing I want to do is soak my pan probably for at least a couple of hours just to let the soap work its way into it. So you're going to want a little bit of a soapy pan. And what I'm just going to do is put like 2 drops, small, about like that, kind of dispersed on the pan. And you get some hot water. It's good to use hot water because that's what is the best at soaking off food and other burn marks. And I just sort of slosh it around the pan like that, get it nice and soapy. And then I can let it just sit there for, an hour or 2. And then when I come back, the burn marks come off pretty easily if I just use a sponge with the wool side down. So I'm going to give it a nice scrub. And it's a good thing I have a sponge because I can really put some elbow grease into it. And the burn comes off just like that. Some people are they think burns are like the biggest deal in the world, but they're really not. You can really treat it just like you would food that's stuck to a plate or anything else, because that's what it is, really, is just food stuck to the dish.